Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you a review of this amazing blouse. I'm wearing my favorite blouse today. Have a look at me. I showed you the making of my top. The blouse I'm going to show you today is made of the same fabric, but the design is absolutely different. What is interesting in the blouse? The raglan sleeves. The raglan details are very tight on the shoulders. They are just about 2.5 centimeters wide here. The second detail is also about 2 centimeters wide. There is also a dart here on the shoulder. The sleeves are pretty wide and comfortable. Watch the videos on how to make raglan sleeves if you haven't done it yet. I strongly recommend you doing it. What else is interesting in this blouse? There are 5 pleats here. These are the box pleats. The chest darts were moved to the front neckline. The length of each stitched pleat is about 3 centimeters. Have a close look at them. The beginning of each pleat is stitched for 3 centimeters. Even the one on the center front. The design of the pleats is very interesting. I recommend making such pleats in different blouses and dresses. They look absolutely amazing. Have a close look at the pleats once again. They are very beautiful. I couldn't resist showing you this blouse. The design is very interesting. The stand collar is beautiful. It's decorated with a velvet ribbon. There are 2 buttons on the center back. There are also 2 buttonholes here. I wanted to have a look at the wrong side of the stand collar. It was stitched by hands. The stand collar is decorated with a flounce. Notice that we haven't edged it with a baby hem or a rolled hem. The fabric was just folded in half. The customer has already tried the blouse on. She loved it. The sleeves were edged with a baby hem at the bottom. There is also an elastic inserted in them. I think that the width of the sleeves is about 40 centimeters. The gathered detail is about 7 centimeters wide. The sleeves are also decorated with the velvet ribbons. There will be beautiful velvet bows on the sleeves. There's actually nothing complicated in the sleeves. We edged them with a baby hem and attached the velvet ribbons. They were stitched in the seams. There is nothing complicated in the blouse. There is a seam on the center back. It turns into a slit and ends with the 2 buttons on the collar stand. The blouse is pretty loose. It's not close-fitting. Due to this fact, it's pretty comfortable. The 2 buttons on the back were attached for the customer to be able to put the blouse on and off easily. The stand collar is pretty tight. There is also a bow on the collar. It's stitched to the stand collar on the back. You can't take the ribbons off. The side seams were edged with the French hem. The overcast was also made in such a way that the seam is hidden inside. Due to this fact, the overcast was stitched by hands. There is no overlock or stitching in the blouse. The seams in the sleeves were also edged with the French hem. You can see it here. I remind you that there is no overlock or stitching in the blouse. I think that it's a haute couture blouse. It feels like the lady in this blouse is my sister. I don't want to let her go. I'm glad that I managed to shoot review this blouse before the customer took it away. I really wanted to show you these pleats. They look very interesting. Have a close look at the sleeve once again. It's edged with a baby hem. The wrong side of the stand collar was stitched by hands. Of course, we could stitch it with a sewing machine. We didn't do it. We prefer to make high-quality clothes. It makes not only our customers, but also ourselves happy. I also want you to have a close look at the raglan sleeves once again. Notice how close to each other they are placed. It's okay. The details are accurate. You may think that it's wrong. It's not. When I was showing you how to make raglan sleeves, I told you that you can draw the lines however you want. Such tight details make the blouse look absolutely gorgeous. Regular raglan sleeves would spoil the view of the pleats. Today I showed you a review of this amazing blouse. I try to show you something new and interesting every day. I really hope that you like my videos. I want us to be different and beautiful. I'm working really hard to help you. Use your imagination and remember that practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.